So this is a Mazda remote. Um, just thought I'd do a quick video. So the key is in the back. So you just open that up and you can pull the key out. And if the battery goes dead, you use the key to get into the car itself via the lock. And then what you do is where you normally push the button to actually start the car, using the remote control like that, either the foot on the brake or clutch in, and just press it on the button like that and the car will start. Okay, just remove the key, little slide like that. And then from each corner here, just lift this up. So lift it up like that. So here I've just used a little screwdriver just to lift it up so it separates the case, and just go along there to separate the case. Okay, so now you've separated the case and it's like that. Just lift it up like that. There's a battery underneath here, lift this up. Now with all these coin batteries, they generally have a number on them and they start with CR. So the Mazda ones, you can buy these from any shop, any Woolworths or Coles or whatever. This is a 2025 battery and it will say it on there. And positive goes to the top. See CR 2025, and just slip the battery in like that. Put the cover back on there like that. And then there's a little clip on the top here and it clips in this way. So go like that. Just push it back down and then the light will come on and you're right to go.